Headmaster, respected teacher and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. With due respect and great reverence, we are celebrating the day of defense a cunning enemy. We have to face, but we accomplished our work with grace. Yes, my dear audience, on 6 September 1965 is the day when India attacked our dear homeland in the darkness of night like a cunning thief. The Indians were so sure of their success that they settled among themselves to celebrate the victory. A few hours later in Lahore, they were armed with all kinds of weapons. My honorable teacher, India attacked our country while their black Russian and American tanks were ahead of them. They were vulture-like fighter planes hovering above in the air. But what a courage, boldness and bravery was demonstrated by our country. As soon as the news of attack was heard, a wave of oneness, boldness, sacrifice and patriotism ran through the whole nation. Admirable audience, in this war which continued for 17 days, the enemy who had come to occupy whole of the West Pakistan cut a sorry figure and was unable to get anything except a horrible defeat and humiliation. My dear audience, now I shall narrate the reply. What we got into this war? We got a dazzling victory over a cunning enemy. We got the sympathy and appreciation of all the countries. We got an emotion, unity, oneness, love and pride in our being Muslim Pakistan. My dear audience, beyond the young fellow, let's aim together. We shall work hard to excel in all fields of learning and welfare, defend our country till death. May Allah help in this essential task. Pakistan Zindabad, Pak Army.